Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, say goodbye to plastic bags and say hello to recycled packaging. Really nice statement. But also say hello to the outdoor saving man's running cap. For women and for men. That's unisex. It's a sports cap, fleece, a functional cap, a thermal undercap, a beanie, and helmet lining, a winter hat set of two warm, soft brassable hats for outdoor use. You can get them in black and gray. You can get them in black and black, or you can get them in black and navy. We have a soft grit fleece with a thermal retention. It's made of premium fleece fabric with a fine grit texture, ensuring an excellent warmth and breathability for cold weather activities. And it comes in a practical two-piece set with a black pair with gray, navy, or another color like gray. Or it's also on the market is green. Perfect for man, for woman, and all other people out there. And it's versatile for all outdoor sports, suitable for running, as you can see, for cycling, for climbing, for motorcycling, for skiing or snowboarding. This fleece beanie is our all-rounder for outdoor and fitness activities. And we have a comfortable one-size fit. That means it is stretchy and lightweight. The materials adapts to the different head sizes, ensuring a snug fit without pressure. This is it for everyday use, and of course, it's good for travel. And there's a minimalist and a give-ready symbol. Timeless style that matches in any outfit. Let's make it gray daily essential. And a touchful gift choice for family and of course for friends. Here it comes, this nice looking hat. Really nice. As you can see, it matches to nearly all hats, and you can go and use it where you need it. For example, on a bicycle, for example, on a motorcycle. It is an elite quality materials with anti-mosquito feature, flame resistant, odor free, and anti-static. We have one size and it fits for the most. For example, it matches to 56 up to 6 centimeters. These are 22 inches up to 23 8 inches, and a height of 6 and a quarter inch. Diameter is 10 inches. That's a nice size for nearly everyone out there. We have elite quality materials. That means it's pressable. It is made out of recycled materials and superior comfort and warm thermal regulation. Really nice and in a good looking outdoor shaping man's running cap. Woman's cap, man's cap, all kind of caps. It's a sport cap fleece, a functional cap, a thermal undercap, a beanie and helmet lining, a winter hat set of two warm, soft brassable devices. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Tot ziens!